Hey everyone, today we are doing an unboxing of Sugar Cosmetics Welcome Kit. I have heard so much about this kit and I'm so excited to finally get my hands on it. Alright, here is the kit and the packaging is so cute, which is exactly what I expected from Sugar. Wow, there is a cute mirror in this kit. And now let's go through each product one by one. So the first product is liquid lipstick and its packaging is so good. And the next we have is all set to go banana powder. And then we have a crayon lipstick in this kit. And the fourth product we have is face palette. There is a blush, highlighter as well as a contour. Now the another product we have is mascara. It gives an extreme volume to our lashes. After this we have a magic wand waterproof concealer. And then we have all set to go translucent powder. And then we have an eyeshadow palette. Shades are beautiful and this one is my favorite. And the last product we have is an Aquaholic Hydrating Foundation. And that's everything in a Sugar Cosmetics Welcome Kit. It's such a great selection and I love how you get a little bit of everything. From lips to eyes. This is a perfect for anyone wanting to explore Sugar Cosmetics without a big commitment. Let me know in the comments which product is your favorite from Sugar Cosmetics.